yeah, look what I've got for you. I've got nothing for you, but I'll bring you something next time. What do you guys eat? What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, please like and subscribe. It goes a long way, and I appreciate it. We are at 20 subscribers now, and I don't take any of you for granted. Don't worry, the content will get a lot better. I've got a lot of things planned for this bike. Track days, lots of fun, maybe some upgrades. We'll see. But if you're new, this is my 2010 Yamaha R6 Fiat Rossi edition. A lot of the stickers I did put on myself, but I think it looks pretty cool. She's cool. She's 10 years old, but I love her so much. Not much has been done. It has a decat, Y-pipe, black widow exhaust. I've taken off the rear seat. I've put a cowl on, taken off the pegs, and just added some stickers and some levers and double bubble scream and all of that stuff. The usual. She sounds good though. I love this bike. This is my second Yamaha R6 that I've had. I'm from South Africa and currently living in Ireland, and I had an R6 in South Africa. It was a bit older than this one, but I loved them so much that I came back to it. But anyway, let me give you a taste of the sound. Are we recording? Yes. So she's warm, if you're wondering. I'm not going to rev her when she's cold, but she's warm. I've been running it for a while now. Hopefully you can hear me. I finally got a microphone, so I'll be able to speak in these motovlogs going forward. But this is at idle. She sounds good, man. So tasty. Boom. All right, guys, let's go for a ride. The wheelies, they're getting there. They're still small, but it's so difficult. I have a mini heart attack every time the bike comes up. They'll get there though, they'll get there. It feels like I'm going, I don't know, at like 12 o'clock or something. But the wheelie is probably like this high, maybe. But if any of you have some advice on wheelies, drop it in the comment section, man. Oh, speed bump. Oh, it's such a beautiful day. It hasn't rained in Ireland for like 2 weeks. It's amazing. And we're in lockdown. Did you see the steering shake? That's the other thing I need, man, a steering damper. Because you accelerate with this bike, and as soon as you hit like a small bump, the steering is just like, whew. I've had a couple of tank slappers, and they're really not fun. They suck. They suck so bad. I think if you've had one, you'll know like how terrible it really is. Look at him. Oh, he looks delicious. No, not really. Hey, dude. Oh, fuck. Oh, I was to get him away. Hi. Come here. Come here. Come here. Let me pet you. Let me pet you. Let me pet you. I come in peace. They're so cute, man. I had baby cows. What are they called? Calves. I grew up on a farm and I had cows. I had 2 of them. And then I didn't have them anymore. And yeah, who knows? Let's go again. Bye, cows. Oh, more cows! Come here. Look what I've got for you. I've got nothing for you, but I'll bring you something next time. What do you guys eat? Hello. Hey, what's your name? Your name? Yeah, what's your name? 15353. That's rough. That's tough, man. You got a number for a name. Oh, you're brave. Oh, you're brave. Come closer. Come closer. Come on. Come on. Oh, shit. Come closer. I wonder if they're... Should I jailbreak them? We're going to jailbreak you guys? Probably not today. Hi. Come here. Not going to hurt you. I'm not going to eat you. Not you. Hi, guys. I'll get a cool picture with you. Stay there. Cows, stay there. The cows, they love the R6. Alright. Alright, guys, we're about to head home. It's getting dark now and you can't see shit, so... Thanks for watching. If you watched this entire thing, I applaud you. It's probably been boring as hell. And stay safe. And if you like the video, drop a like. Why not? 2 seconds of your time, right? Anyway, thanks guys. Stay safe.